outside tonight. Feels like what I'm feeling inside. Everything around me isn't feeling quite right. I knew my life was gonna change. Was I gonna be alright? Looking in the mirror, my mother always said, those eyes can go so cold sometimes. I wish you'd open up instead. She can't remember the moment I walked through the door. She told my father something that I could no longer ignore. If my child grew up different, beyond my own beliefs, there'd be no place for them at home. I'd tell them they'd have to leave. There was no conversation needed as I headed to my room. What she spoke out loud, she didn't realize what it'd do. Everything she just assumed, the beliefs I knew she held, the hate inside her heart, I knew I'd have to go through hell. She knocked on my door, told me, please let me see. Don't you know, my darling baby, you can tell me anything. The whisper on the other side came out so cold. Why would I tell you anything when I already know? I heard the pause as she turned to walk away. Heard her start to sob, I knew she wasn't gonna stay. The silence in the room, deafening till this day. And she said, I refuse to believe it. This can't be happening. What did I do? What have I done to think I raised a child who wants everything to come undone? Pouring rain outside tonight, feels like what I'm feeling inside. Everything around me isn't feeling quite right. I knew my life was gonna change, but I was gonna be just fine. Looking in the mirror, my mother always said, those eyes can go so cold sometimes. I wish you'd open up